Hello dear students. In today's video, we will discuss about the change in syllabus of standard 11 and 12 chemistry due to COVID-19 pandemics by NCERT. We all know that many of the students start their preparation for 11 science as well as 12 science by online methods. But it is equally important that whatever the changes are take place in the subjects, you must be aware about that. Recently, NCERT uploaded that change in syllabus in their schedule. In this video, we discuss about that change in syllabus for 11 and 12 chemistry. The syllabus of the 2020-21 academic year has been changed because NCERT has come up with a new academic calendar due to COVID-19 lockdown. Please check out the full change syllabus for chemistry here. Here after an HRD minister asked NCERT, NTA and other major educational organizations of India to change their academic calendar because of coronavirus situation COVID-19. Now, so NCERT on Thursday released the new calendar for the students. In this video, we look out what kind of changes are taken place in the subject of chemistry. Here cbseacademic.nic.in, please, the reference is taken from the website for making this video. As far as this video is concerned, we are only covered the theoretical portion changes taken place in the subject of chemistry for the standard 11 and 12 science syllabus. Practical aspects does not cover in this video. Here in standard 11, the total number of chapter for the subject of chemistry is 14, is similar as that of last year. Theory periods 160 and annual paper for 11 science CBSE student is for 70 marks. This is the course syllabus for the subject of chemistry. As you can see that there are total 14 chapters in the subjects. Here, these 14 chapters, there are total 160 periods are allotted based on their weightage. As you can see that chapter 1 and 2 has a 11 marks weightage. Chapter 3 alone has a weightage of 4 marks. Chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, these 4 chapters together weightage of 21 marks. This chapter 1 to 7 are included in part 1 of chemistry textbook provided by the NCERT. On the other side, chapter 8, 9, 10 and 11, it consists of the weightage of 16 marks, whereas organic chemistry and hydrocarbon, chapter 12 and 13, it has a weightage of 18 marks and most important for the examination also. Now, we will go through the what kind of changes taken place in by the NCERT in the subject of standard 11 science. As far as chapter 1 is concerned, there is no change. Whereas in chapter 2, earlier in 2019, topics like discovery of electron, proton, neutron, atomic number, isotopes, isobar, Thomson model and its limitation, Rutherford model and its limitation, etc. are omitted in 2019 syllabus, but again for 2020-21 syllabus, these topics are added. So student, this topic already published by the NCERT in the standard 11 textbook. So you have to go in detail for this topic, and in the entrance examination like JEE and NEET, they are also asking the topic or question based on this topic. Whereas in chapter 3, the topic that is significance of classification, brief history of the development of periodic table, these two topics again added in the standard chapter 3. This topic was omitted by the NCERT in 2019-20 syllabus, but again re-added in the syllabus of 2020-21. Whereas in the chapter 4, 5, 6 and 7, there was no change by the NCERT in the topic of 4, 5, 6, 7. The entire topic remain same. You can visit the website to check the syllabus. If you go through the chapter 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 which is related to part 2 of the standard 11, there is no change in any of these syllabus, chapter syllabus. But you have to keep one thing in a mind. Now the chapter name earlier in standard 11, chapter 11 is initially named as P block elements. Now it's changed from sum of P block elements. So only minor change is there, and that is only in the name of the chapter. Instead of P block elements, now the name of the chapter is sum of P block elements. Let us move to the standard 12 syllabus. Through the standard 12 syllabus, you can find that there are total 16 chapters in the standard 12 syllabus. Again, this standard 12 syllabus, you have to complete the syllabus in 160 periods. One more thing, if you go through the syllabus, the chapter 1 to 9 are the part 1 are published in a part 1 of the NCERT textbook, whereas chapter 10 to 16 are published in a part 2 of the textbook. Now, we will go through one by one what kind of changes are taken place in the syllabus. Chapter 1 Solid State. This chapter is again added for the 2020-21 syllabus. Earlier, last year, it was omitted from 2019 and 20 syllabus. But as the chapter is important, it's already available in the NCERT textbook, and NCERT decided that this chapter again added for the 2020-21 syllabus. So all the students who are referring the last year 2019-20 paper, you may find that there is none of the question based on the solid state because of the fact that it was omitted by the NCERT in 2019-20 syllabus, but now this chapter is again re-added for the 2020-21 syllabus. So पूरा एक चैप्टर आपको एडिशनल है. There is no change in the chapter 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The entire syllabus remain as it is as it was earlier. Whereas in chapter 7, P block elements, group 15 elements and its compounds are again re-added by the NCERT. If you observe the study paper or board paper of the 2019-20, then you may also find that there is none of the question based on chapter 7 on based on topic group 15 elements. But this group 15 elements and its compound are again re-added by the NCERT. So students, please do study solid state and standard 12 के अंदर और P block elements के अंदर group 15 elements को पढ़ना होगा. There is no change in the group chapter 8 and chapter 9. In part 1, there is two major changes, chapter 1 and in chapter 7. 2. The basic syllabus of chapter 10, 11 and 12 remain as it is, but the number of period is reduced by NCERT. So, number of reduced teaching period instead of 12, now it is become 12. So, number of period are reduced. For chapter 13 amines, two topics are omitted. Yes, two topics are omitted or deleted by the NCERT, that is cyanide and isocyanide have been deleted, which is mentioned on a various part of the chapters. One more change is there. Initially chapter 13 is termed as nitrogen containing organic compounds. Now the name of this chapter is changes from nitrogen containing organic compound to amines, as cyanides and isocyanide was deleted from the chapters. There is no change in the biomolecule chapters, whereas in chapter 15, basic introduction, classification of type of polymers, method of polymerization are again re-added for the 2020-21 syllabus. It was earlier omitted for 2019 and 20 syllabus. So classification of natural and synthetic polymers, method of class polymerization, addition and condensation polymerization. There is no change in the chapter 16. So please do prepare according to new syllabus published by the NCERT on its website. Hopefully this video will helpful you to prepare best for your upcoming 2020-21 examination, and according to that you should start your preparation. Do share this video with your colleagues and be helpful to them also. Take care at home, stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, see you. This is all about this video.